Hi, welcome back to HostBoxcse channel and back to the tutorial for computer architecture and organization. This is a tutorial exclusive helpful for who are preparing GATE UGC NET and some of the competitive level and college level exam also. Please kindly check the playlist, then only you can get continuations. Please kindly take paper and pen. Some of the points I am not showing in the slide, just I will say, you can understand easily. And today we are going to continue the topic where the type of hazard that is called control hazard in pipelining. What is control hazard? And already given introduction with example. Now how to solve? What way we can solve this problem in the area of computer architecture and organization, or in the area of pipelining and also in pipelining. Let's go for session today. The previous session I explained about the structural hazards with the example. Can you catch it? Here control hazards. This type of dependence, this type of hazards occur during the transfer of control instructions such as branch, call, jump, etc. Moreover, on many instruction architecture, the processor will not know the target address of these instructions when it needs to be insert the new instruction into the pipeline, where all instructions who change the program counter leads to control hazard. So let's assume the sequence of instruction. I'm going to execute the instruction where the 100 I1 instruction I1 and instruction I2 have address of I2 and 102 instruction I3 have 102. At last branch instruction BA1 250. Here remember I am going to use a branch instruction. That's the reason it is called, another name is branch hazard, control hazard, or you can say control branch hazard also. Here what will happen now? So when I give whenever the I2 jump 250 means what? It have to leave this. It have to flush this pipeline, or what are the instructions here? It have to flush and go to the particular target. So expected output is was I1, I2, BA1. But what will happen whenever try to execute this sequence of instructions in the control hazard? Here output sequence what will happen means, they have stages what? Fetch, decode, execution, memory access, at last write back. So you have a pipeline with these stages. So whenever I1, what will happen? It will go and start execute. Whenever I1 in the stage of ID, the instruction decode, I2 will be start. Then it will go to it have to update the PC address 250 and continue the execution and memory access write back. Then what happened here? But whenever the control side the problem arises, it won't go directly BA. After I2, we are given order what? Sequence should be go to BA1, but it will go and execute the I3 normally. So I3, whenever the I2 stage in ID, it will go and fetch the instructions from the memory and decode and execute in memory. And after that it will go. Because of this one, what happened? It will waste time and no need. We want to go, suppose in between 2 or 3 instructions you have to skip and jump, flush the pipeline and go to the target. Which target? Whether it's a branch or jump, what are the instructions it you have to execute, or here it will go and waste it. So now what can I do? And remember the points here. The instruction fetch unit of a CPU is responsible for providing a stream of instruction to the execution unit. And also problem arises. When exactly problem arises means, problem arises when one of the instruction is a branch instruction to some other memory location. So now how do you solve? So if you want to solve, we can introduce a delay here. So here stop the instruction fetch until we get the target address of the branch instruction, one option. And also this can be implemented by introducing delay slot until we get the target address. So what you can means to get the address, same we are going to continue. We are going to introduce the delay here. Instead of I3, we are going to introduce a delay. Delay means what? Just to give delay stage, it won't do anything and directly go to the BA load. First it execute the I1 while I1 instruction in the execution state, it will take the I2 take care of the ID. While I1 in the ID stage, it will take care of I2, and after that what happen? After it introduces a delay slot. After that it go on whenever the I2 stage in execution state, it will take the branch instruction 1 and go again start the fetch, decode, execution and continue the pipelining. So it will happen. So here the output is similar now. I1, I2, delay stall, BI1. Now how do you find the exact solution? So it's one of the complicated area. If you want a better understanding, we can go and learn later advanced computer architecture also. So here the solution is control dependency that is branch prediction. So what is branch prediction? It is a method through which stalls due to control dependency can be eliminated. is due to control dependency can be eliminated here. In this art, first stage prediction is done about which branch will be taken. That is important. And then for branch prediction, branch penalty is 0 here. Now the question is, what is branch penalty? So branch penalty is number of stars introduced during the branch operation in the pipeline processor is known as branch penalty. That means number of stars introduced during the branch operations. So we are going to do some branch operation here on this stage. So number of branch here. So number of stars introduced. So here what we are introducing only one, like that how many based on your requirement or whatever the sequence instructions you want to do it. Remember, so with the control hazard, if you try to execute, what happen, it will execute all the statement, it won't listen your branch instruction. So if you want to do you want to skip this one, flush out this pipeline and do means we can introduce a delay option, or else you can go the branch penalty. These all are about the control hazards. The upcoming session I will continue the data hazards with the simple examples. And thanks for watching. Please, if you have any queries or suggestions, please communicate with us in the social media. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press bell icon for more updates.